African spirituality, gonna go back to 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 see, bring and be, you so shine, I should you, in this Zanga, you send a boko, that's a little more. Isana sam, vumingolo ya, bega manje bayang Luisa, bega manje bayang Luisa, bayang Luisa. African spirituality, gonna go back to 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 African spirituality, gonna go back to.
What's the solution for the black power? African spirituality. What's the solution for the black culture? African spirituality. What's gonna save us as a black nation? What's gonna make us understand we are one? African spirituality. All these religions, they do nothing for us. All they do is take from us and disconnect us from the power source. Yeah, they don't want us to know identity.
African spirituality, gonna go back to 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 African spirituality, gonna go back to, gonna go back to.